Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayanam. Today I am going to discuss PA Industries consolidated year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter results. This is not recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. Here, amount in millions. First, we will discuss year-on-year, later quarter-on-quarter. Year-on-year means we will compare 31st December 2020 results with 31st December 2019 results. That is year-on-year. Later we will discuss quarter on quarter, that means December results with September results. PA Industries is doing agrochemicals business. Agrochemicals business is seasonal business, so we will give more importance for year on year results. First one is here revenue from operations. Previous year they got 849 crores. This year 1162 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here, revenue 36.7% increase year on year. This is positive sign. Later, we'll check expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year, 419 crores. This year, 589 crores. Here, revenues was increased, so cost of material consumed also increased. Later, purchase of stock in trade. Previous year, 31 crores. This year, 11 crores. Change in inventories. Previous year 3 crores, this year 15 crores. Later, employee benefit expenses. Last year 76 crores, this year 108 crores. That means approximately 32 crores was increased. We need to check this employee benefit expenses are increased due to employee salaries or management salaries. Later, finance cost. Last year 3.8 crores, this year 6.6 crores. Here 3 crores interest was increased, but here they are paying only 6 crores interest, so they have minimal debt. This is a positive point. Depreciation last year 31 crores, this year 44 crores. Later other expenses, previous year 133 crores, this year 161 crores. Later profit before tax, previous year 169 crores, this year 263 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Profit before tax was increased 55% year on year. This is positive sign. Later current tax. Previous year they paid 45 crores. This year 66 crores. Here revenues was increased. Due to that one they paid more tax. Later profit after tax. Previous year they got 121 crores. This year 195 crores. We'll check it in percentage. The profit after tax increased 61% year on year. This is positive sign. What we observed based on these results is revenue from operations increased from 849 crores to 1162 crores. Here finance cost was increased from 3.8 crores to 6.6 crores, but they are paying very less interest, so they have minimal debt. That is positive point. Employee benefit expenses was increased from 76 crores to 108 crores. We need to check that employee benefit expenses was due to employee salaries or management salary. Profit before tax was increased from 169 crores to 263 crores. Profit after period was increased from 121 crores to 195 crores. Now we'll check earning per share. Here paid up equity share capital. In December they have 13.8 crores paid up equity. This year 15.2 crores. Here it was increased from 13.8 crores to 15.2 crores. We need to find the reason. Here we need to check 6th point. The company has raised 20,000 million, that means 2,000 crores during the previous quarter through qualified institutional placement of equity shares. That means they raised 2,000 crores from QIP. The company has issued 1 crore 36 lakhs 5,442 equity shares of face value of 1 each at a price of 1470 per equity share. Funds received pursuant to QIP remain invested in fixed deposit, liquid and other debt mutual funds. In September quarter, they raised 2,000 crores through QIP at 1470 per equity share. They invested that amount into fixed deposits, liquid and other debt mutual funds. Due to 2,000 crores raising funds through QIP, here equity was diluted from 13.8 crores to 15.2 crores. If equity was diluted, then number of shares will be increased. If number of shares will be increased, then earning per share will be decreased. Here earning per share previous year 8.76 rupees, this year 12.83 rupees. Now we'll check quarter on quarter results. Revenue from operations in September quarter 1157 crores, this quarter 1162 crores. That means approximately 5 crores was increased. We'll check in percentage. Here 0.3 percentage quarter on quarter increase. Later profit before tax. Previous quarter 262 crores, this quarter 263 crores. That means here 1 crore was increased. That means 0.3 percentage quarter on quarter increase. Later profit after tax. Previous quarter 217 crores, this quarter 195 crores. Here profit was decreased from 217 crores to 195 crores. That means approximately 22 crores. This is negative sign. Here percentage is minus 10 percentage quarter on quarter decrease. What we understood based on this results is revenue was increased 36.7 percentage year on year, but 0.3 percentage quarter on quarter. Profit before tax was increased 55% year on year, but 0.3 percentage quarter on quarter. Profit after tax was increased 61% year on year and 10% decrease quarter on quarter. PA Industries doing agrochemicals. Agrochemicals business is seasonal business, so we'll give more importance for year on year. That means they got good results year on year. Here we have one more point. 8th point. The board of directors at their meeting held on February 2, 2021 have approved the interim dividend of 3 per equity share of face value of 1 each for the financial year 2021. That means they declared 3 rupees interim dividend. Now we'll check how much amount they declared dividend in financial year 21. Here in September 2020 they announced 1 rupee dividend and February they announced 3 rupees. That means totally 4 rupees declared in financial year 21. If we compare with previous year they gave 4.5 rupees, this year 4 rupees. That means 50 paise was decreased. This is negative sign. Now we'll check valuation of PI Industries. PE before results is 49.2, PE after results is 44.8. Here PE was decreased 4 points. This is positive side. Positives are good year-on-year results, minimal debt, undervalued based on previous year PE. Negatives are overvalued based on 5 years median PE. 5 years median PE is 35. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.